FlashMed. What is measured by the C-reactive protein? The C-reactive protein is a non-specific test looking for evidence of inflammation. How long does it take for the C-reactive protein to become elevated in the acute setting? It takes approximately 6 to 10 hours for the C-reactive protein to increase in the acute setting. What is the half-life of the C-reactive protein? The half-life of the C-reactive protein is approximately 5 to 7 hours. Can the C-reactive protein be useful to help differentiate viral from bacterial meningitis? Theoretically, the C-reactive protein is elevated in the serum of patients with bacterial meningitis but not those with viral meningitis. How is the C-reactive protein used in the setting of cardiac syndromes to help differentiate those at risk for serious adverse outcomes from those who are not at risk? An elevated C-reactive protein is considered a risk factor for having an adverse cardiac event. Can the C-reactive protein be used to help differentiate pyelonephritis from cystitis? Theoretically, the C-reactive protein will be elevated in patients with pyelonephritis but not cystitis. FlashMed has thousands of video flashcards on YouTube. Select one of our channels to view hundreds of questions and answers in sequence, learning one question at a time. Try it now.